Guys, welcome to Final Cut Bits. I'm Colin. In this short tutorial, I want to explain about audio control points. That is when you want to lower certain sections of your audio track so you can have the audio higher in your main track. Okay, so let me explain. Right, first things first, I've got a video that I did the other day. This is the main recording. That's got an audio track there. And it's got some music underneath it. Alright, so I'm going to explain about lowering the certain sections of this audio. But first things first, we need to enhance and make it large so we can see better. Because right now it's just too small. You can go to this icon, then just bring this up so it's much bigger to your liking. And now we can see the audio line and everything's so much clearer. Alright, so what we do, just say we'll just play it. This is a flat high volume. We'll just play it and we can actually hear the audio on this one. But just say we want to lower a certain section of this. Alright, so what you do is you decide where you want to lower it. Then you press Option key and then you insert a control point, say there. And then you want another control point, say there. Press it again. Okay, now we have two control points. So if we drag this down, it'll drag down everything at that point. Alright. So what's good to just say you want to lower this section here. We need to put another control point here as well. There we go. And then if I drag this now, it's dragging, you see, gradually from down that point. So now if we listen to it, I'll just make it a bit more extreme. So it'll drop. You see the music has totally dropped and now you can hear the main track really clear, whereas you can't when it's on full volume. So I'll just undo that. And yeah, you've just got to tinker about it with it like this. I mean, you just got to remember, you've got to press Option first and then click your, you can zoom in as well. You know, it's probably a good idea to zoom in. Get as close as you want, Command plus plus and Command minus minus. Alright, so we'll just... the problem sometimes comes is how do you delete it, the control point, because sometimes you don't want the control point there. You want to change it. Also, if you click it and then press delete, oh dear, you've deleted the whole track. That's not what you want, is it? Right, so what I find you need to do, it's as simple as this. Click the control point, right click, delete keyframe. Alright, so I mean, I'm calling it a control point, but it's a keyframe, you know, according to that. I'm not sure where I got control point from, but hey, we'll call it a keyframe then, shall we? Yeah, and just pick another place you want to add the control point, lower it down. I just want to add, maybe I didn't explain it before. If you just add, we'll just delete that one. We'll just delete that one as well. If you just do like from A to B, this singular one, and then this one, it doesn't work too well, you see. Well, it does in a way. It does in a way. But I always find it's better to just put two like next to each other to start it off. If it doesn't click when you press Option, just do it again. And then you see it just drops it. It gives you more control over that section. So just add, you know, don't be afraid to add more than one control point close together. It gives you much more control. And you can like do it again here. You can Option. And there we go. This will just drop that down, you know, so now we've cut this music out in that section there. So it's as simple as that, guys, and you know, it took me a little while to work this out and understand it, but you can do the same with the main track as well. You can see once it's larger, just press Option again, and you can, well, just like I say, we can just lower that bit if we want to. So you can do it on any level, any tracks, and that's how you do it. And I hope you learned something from this. You know, drop me a sub if you find it interesting and you learn stuff. I'm going to be making more videos, so until next video, guys, peace.